Hello friends, myself Takshil Yadav and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about India physical divisions. India is a unique country, our motherland. India is a unique country and one of the oldest civilizations of the world. The Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization belonged to India. Today, with a population of more than 1.35 billion people, India is one of the most populous country in the world after China. Physical divisions. A country is divided into its physical divisions according to its physical features and landforms. India has distinct physical features that broadly divide the country into six physical divisions. These are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, and at last the islands. But today in this lesson we are going to learn only about the first three physical divisions, that are the northern mountains, the northern plains, and the Great Indian Desert. We'll learn about the next three in the next part of this lesson. So let's start. First, let's start. This is the first physical division, that is northern mountains. It is a chain of mountains that spreads between the Pamir Plateau in the northwest to the borders of Myanmar in the east. Yes, that's right. And it is one of the longest mountain chains. It is the highest mountain chain in this world that consists of parallel ranges. It covers an area of about 2,400 kilometers. It consists of the Himalayan range that consists of three parallel ranges. These three parallel ranges are the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Lower Himalayas, the Greater Himalayas. They are also known as the Himadri. They are the tallest of the three ranges with an average height of 6,000 meters. There are many steep slopes and sharp peaks rising in this range above 8,000 meters. It consists of mountains such as Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Nanga Prabhat, Nanga Devi, Trishul, etc. It consists of Mount Everest, the highest peak in this world. The Mount Everest is located on the Nepal-Tibet border and its height is 8,848 meters above the sea level. Now the second range, that is the Middle Himalayas. The Middle Himalayas are also known as the Himachal. Their average height is of 4,500 meters and it consists of the most beautiful places such as Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, etc. Now the third range and the lowest range, that is the Lower Himalayas. They are also known as the Shivaliks, that is the lowest range with an average height of 1,500 meters. It is made up of loose and soft rocks. Yeah, you are right. It's made up of loose and soft rocks. It is an area that is quite prone to earthquakes and landslides. Means earthquakes and landslides often occur here. On its west, it has the Garo Khasi Jaintia hills that form the international border of India with Bangladesh. Now we will study the second physical division, that is the northern plains. It is a vast low-lying area which has alluvium deposited by the river Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. It is also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Yeah, you are right. It's also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. It comprises of three sections. These three sections are These three sections, please listen carefully, they are very important. These three sections are the Indus Basin, the Ganga Basin, and the Brahmaputra Basin. All these basins, such as the Indus Basin. Indus Basin consists of the river Indus and its tributaries. The Ganga Basin consists of Ganga and its tributaries. And the Brahmaputra Basin consists of Brahmaputra and its tributaries. And how they help other cities or other states, other districts, etc. Now the third physical division, that is the Great Indian Desert. The northern plains extend to a desert region in the that is far away from the Aravalli Range in the west, and that is known as the Great Indian Desert. Their air is hot and dry and even dusty, and the sand here is always being blown with the air, creating sand dunes. The rainfall here is also very scanty. That is why plants such as cactus, acacia grow here, and their roots go deep under the ground to reach the underground water to fulfill their need for water. Even here, these plants have spines instead of the leaves to reduce transpiration, that is the loss of water in the form of water vapor through the leaves. They have a green fleshy stem. The cactus has a green fleshy stem covered with a thick waxy layer that removes the process of the transpiration from the green stem and protects water for even the future use. Now, this was all today about the first three physical divisions of India. Please tell me how much did you like in this video in the comments, and please like, subscribe and share this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Takshil Yadav. Jai Hind.